And it's an honor to be hanging out with so many amazing friends as well. Oh, the mustard oil.
Run.
This is like awesome.
Yeah, nice. Huge shrimp.
Fish. Awesome.
This is the Hilsa?
Yeah, this is the Hilsa.
So the first thing that you come here to do is choose your fish, and they also have giant river prawns. Okay, and this is the national fish of Bangladesh. This is loved by everyone. It's so silver in color. It just actually kind of shines. The fish has been cut up. We're moving over to the kitchen now, where they're gonna start mixing up the spices, the mustard oil, and then we're gonna fry them in the mustard oil. Dump it out the oil. So talk about a pro tip here.
Yeah.